Now before we dive in, if you find my videos useful, make sure to click that subscribe button and also make sure to click that bell icon on the side to get notified every time I upload a new video. And of course, if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, make sure to follow me on all at SAKITECH Online, also for the latest updates. Alright, let's dive in. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we get some amazing news for the Samsung Galaxy S11, and of course amazing news for people that are actually waiting to get the S11 or the Note 9 or the S10. So let's dive in and get started. So we know already that the Samsung Galaxy S11 at least is going to have 90 Hz display. This has been confirmed by the prolific leaker Ice Universe, who has said in a tweet that 90 Hz is certain and 120 Hz might be likely. But today what happened was Samsung actually released the One UI 2.0 beta update to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And somebody was playing with the settings, the display settings, and they found an option to switch between 60 Hz and 120 Hz. And Ice Universe again made a tweet about that, and that's what you're looking at on the screen. So he's saying someone found 120 Hz in Note 9's One UI 2 beta inside the hidden settings. Now that seems to be a Korean version of the product, and then he retweeted that he also found the same thing in the Chinese version. So you have the option to switch between 60 Hz and 120 Hz. Again, they found this in the One UI 2.0 beta on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, which probably appeared in there by accident. This is a beta software. This does not mean the Note 9 is going to have this. It just means somewhere in the code of the Samsung One UI 2.0, which is going to appear on the Samsung Galaxy S11, we have this option of being able to toggle between 90 Hz and 120 Hz. And of course, Ice Universe made a final tweet about this subject. He says that there's three options to choose from. First, you can turn off the high refresh rate and keep it at 60 Hz. Then you can actually turn off the 60 Hz and keep it at 120 Hz refresh rate. And number three, you can dynamically switch between 60 Hz and 120 Hz if you choose that option, which is the same thing as a Pixel 4, which does switch between 60 and 90 dynamically. So let's be very clear. The 90 Hz on the S11 is guaranteed, but 120 Hz is very likely, and these recent leaks that we are able to pull out from the One UI beta give us a very strong evidence towards the latter. We might just end up seeing the 120. Now 120 is not the first time thing. We have seen it before. We have seen it on Razer smartphone. That was 2 years ago. It's not absolutely necessary. I can still live off of my Note 10, no problem. But if it's coming to the Samsung, the phone that I use on a daily basis, then I'll take it. So it's great news for people that are looking forward to the Samsung Galaxy S11. All right, guys. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And for now, have a fantastic day, all right? Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.